The University of Namibia, UNAM, has announced that registration-related fees for eligible Namibian students for the 2026 academic year will be covered under the government's subsidized tertiary education funding model. UNAM spokesperson Simon Namesha said Namibian students are required to pay 6,975 Namibian dollars at registration, which includes a tuition fee deposit of 4,000 Namibian dollars, a registration fee of 1,500 Namibian dollars, and connectivity, technology, and student administration levies. However, for students pursuing their first primary undergraduate qualification, these registration-related levies are fully covered by government funding. The subsidized model does not apply to students pursuing second or subsequent qualifications, postgraduate students, or those with outstanding debts. Namesha stressed that all prior balances must be cleared before registration, and students who fall outside the funding model must pay the full fees upfront. The university has urged students to familiarize themselves with the eligibility criteria to avoid confusion during the registration process. Moving on to other stories, the Supreme Court has overturned a High Court ruling that blocked Fishco from allowing Marine de Klerk to testify via video link in its civil case linked to the fish rot scandal. Now, in a judgment delivered on the 17th of December 2025, judges of Peel Dave Smuts and Alton Hove ruled that de Klerk, although a fugitive, is not a party to the case but a key witness, and that the High Court was wrong to prevent his remote testimony. Fishco is seeking to set aside agreements allocating 50,000 metric tons of horse mackerel quota annually for 15 years, which the respondents deny were corrupt. The court stressed that the public interest in hearing corruption-related evidence ruled that the video testimony should proceed and ordered Fishco to cover the costs. Moving on to our last story. NemWater's outstanding debt has reached the 2.8 billion Namibian dollars, raising concerns over national water security. The utility has urged local authorities, institutions, industries, and consumers to pay overdue accounts, warning that unpaid bills jeopardize water supply sustainability. Now, as of November 30th, 2025, 2.6 billion Namibian dollars is owed primarily by town councils, municipalities, and the mining sector, which alone accounts for 53% of the debt. NemWater cautions that non-payment may lead to stricter recovery measures to ensure uninterrupted supply, and emphasizes the importance of timely payments for infrastructure and operations maintenance. And that's all we had for you in News in Brief. I shall see you tomorrow.